Hey guys, journey has begun. Say hi to Timika, my fishing partner. Yeah, we're gonna give it a shot, guys. The south has picked up approximately about 5 knots. We've got these members here, dedicated guys, all the way from Marisburg. Wanted to have one session with me, so yeah, as I mentioned on the previous video, Kishan is my bro. We met over fishing, so yeah. As you can see, there's two guys here, they're just busy talking some nonsense, yeah. I don't know, Kishan just bring and come, but he doesn't tell who and who in the zoo. What? But yeah, we've got one angler there that's sitting on flat rock. We've got a fire going on here. We're gonna hijack this fire, guys. You know my fishing partner Timika, I need to make a fire for her, so yeah. So on the previous video I mentioned this building. So I currently set up around about here. I'm gonna set up. You can see the water, it's very high. Like we mentioned, 7:10 is high tide. So yeah guys, we're gonna give it a shot on a Sunday morning. Let's see what happens. Catch you in the next video, guys. Cheers. Hey guys, we're just gonna show you how to join a leader line onto your main line. So basically I'm making a Burmese twist which has a spring tension. This is my main line. You're just going to hold it like this. Twist it a good couple of times. Once you're done, well, I normally do this. This is the best knot that works for me. You're just going to hold it like this here. Run it down. As you stretch it, your right hand, you're going to let it run a bit loose while you pull tension on your left hand. It's going to create the overwind on a return. You take your line, one turn in, one turn out. So basically this is your knot. As you can see, the spring tension on it. So I'm going to plait this knot here. In order for me to plait this knot, I'm going to go one in, come one out, opposite side, one in, one out. I'm just going to carry on again. I'll catch you on the next video to show you how I join my leader line onto my main line. Cheers guys. As you can see, Kingfisher 0.70, that's my leader line. I'm going to show you how I'm going to join this line together. So, where's the grey bucket? This here is the extra line. Just cut it off. Okay, this here is your main line. Just grab your main line like this. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At your fifth, you'll go there. You'll come inside and under this knot. As you pull it apart, try to make it look like a number 8. A number 8 is called a figure 8. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. You see this? That's a figure 8. Just pull it a little, don't tension it. This is my leader line. More or less from your first mark of your finger just leave a space. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On your 6th, your leader has got to be 1 extra knot. Over, under, same story, figure 8. Just spread your loops apart. Here's a figure 8. Obviously, guys, we're at the beach. We gotta just lubricate it a bit. Watch what this knot does. Now the knot has pulled tight. So yeah, we've actually joined our leader line to our main line. Guys, this knot never fails me. I know other guys fish with different knots, but yeah, this knot never fails me. You gotta reel about a minimum of 2 to 3 winds into your reel of your leader line, and then you cut it off. But yeah, guys, here's over and out. Okay guys, we're just gonna run you through a trace. This is Donovan. Donovan, this is Uncle Jay, a local fisherman. He's just running Donovan through a trace. Donovan wants to fish for mussel, cracker. So we're just gonna show him a basic trace. Okay, so basically what my uncle is doing right now is he's making a figure 8 knot. He winded it about 4 to 5 times. As you can see, it's a number 8. He pulls it down. That's a 3-way swivel. The sinker. Remember guys, your trace line, your sinker has to be shorter than your hook. So he's just going to show you what he's really doing now. As you can see, we're trying to join him up with a circle hook. So if you watch my Uncle Jay, he's basically wrapping it around the hook, same like Garrick style. He goes between 8 to 9 times. He's going to take the balance of the line, return it back through the high. As you can see him pulling it. Okay, the only reason he's doing that is the harder the fish pulls you, the tighter the knot becomes. Okay guys, the reason he's using a scissors is he don't want you to get hooked. So yeah. Excess line is being cut out. And guys, that's basically your trace. Always remember, your hook line is longer than your sinker line. If you have to change your sinker, it's easier to take it off as well. So yeah, Uncle Jay, thanks so much for making this trace for Donovan. Donovan is also a dedicated fisherman that travels all the way from Chatsworth. He comes on a Sunday to spend the time with us. Donovan, we really appreciate you being here on the rocks with us, bro.
Thank you.
We hope by promoting this trace, we get a lot of people want to like and subscribe this channel to follow this trace that my uncle has made for you. So yeah, bro, tight lines on your next trip out. We're going to take Donovan to Green Roof next week. So yeah, guys, over and out. Thank you, Uncle Jay. Donovan, cheers, bro. Guys, as you can see, we're in Winkle, dedicated fishermen. Marco, you know the group. Marco is one of the locals from Ilovo. Fishes very hard. Got a lot of brushes in this place, a lot of gaddy. Then we got Kishan here from Marisburg. Drove all the way from Marisburg to fish as well. So yeah, it's a good session. Just 3 of us chilling out. Not forgetting Uncle Jay. He's busy chowing the orange. So yeah guys, we're just having a good time. So yeah, we'll catch you on the next video next week.